This DIY hair moisturizer is one of my favorite hair moisturizers. I just love how this feels in my hair and what it does to my hair. It doesn't only moisturize your hair, but it can also promote healthy hair growth. Make sure you're not skipping any part of this video because it is a very detailed DIY recipe. So to start with, I'm going to put some coconut oil in a bowl like so. Coconut oil is known to prevent frizz, to prevent hair breakages, and also protect loss of protein. Coconut oil is a lightweight oil, so I love adding it to my DIY recipes. I also added some olive oil. Olive oil can moisturize your hair. It is going to add some shine to your hair and prevent hair breakages. These two oils are great for hair care, but you can use any oil of your choice or you can use one of those oils. This is moringa powder. This is one of the powerful natural ingredients you can ever find. Moringa powder has so many benefits when it comes to hair growth. But before getting into all that, you know how we do over here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do over here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I measured equal amount of olive oil and coconut oil. So whenever you want to mix two different oils together, you just want to make sure you measure equal amount. So altogether, I had about 80 ml of the oil. Then after that, I added a tablespoon of my moringa powder. Whenever you use moringa powder, make sure you don't use too much because it is very potent. Moringa powder contains iron and zinc that are great for our hair growth. It also contains vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which is also great when it comes to promoting healthy hair growth. Moringa, when added to your hair care routine, can prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and strengthen your hair strands. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my mango butter. Mango butter is a very great hair moisturizer. It can provide deep hydration to the hair. It has vitamins that are also great for the scalp, and it is going to nourish your scalp and your hair strands. So I put some mango butter in a bowl. So I already have some hot water going, so I'm going to use the double boiler method to melt the mango butter completely. Mango butter has a low melting point, so when you use it in your body butters or your hair growth butters, it easily melts into your hair strands, sip into your hair follicles to help hydrate your hair. There is another butter I'm going to add to this recipe, and I'm going to tell you why I added both butters to this DIY recipe. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you are watching to the end. Alright, so this is shea butter. Shea butter is another great hair moisturizer. When you compare shea butter to mango butter, the difference is shea butter has high fat compared to mango butter. So if you are someone with high porosity hair, shea butter will be very great because it's going to keep your hair moisturized for a long time. But if you have low porosity hair, you might want to use mango butter. I love to mix both because it gives my recipes this smooth texture that I love. So I added about 3 tablespoons of mango butter to 2 tablespoons of my shea butter. After that, I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. But before moving on to the next step, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so that was Vaseline that I used the double boiler method to melt completely. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Vaseline to the shea butter and mango butter mixed together. Then after that, I'm going to give it a good stir. Adding Vaseline to your hair moisturizers helps your moisturizers stay in your hair much longer and keep it moisturized for a very long time. This is the moringa oil we prepared. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of my moringa oil to this DIY recipe. I made enough moringa oil because I'm going to use the rest for my hot oil treatment. So once you have everything added like so, you give it a very good stir and your DIY hair moisturizer is ready. There are a few things you can add to even maximize the benefit of this hair moisturizer. But if you do not have any of these ingredients, it is also great. Just the moringa powder is going to do all the trick. So I added some vitamin E oil, which can help stop hair breakages and strengthen your hair strands. I also added some peppermint essential oil. A few drops of essential oil will help improve the smell of this DIY recipe. You can use any essential oil of your choice. After that, I gave it a good stir, left it in the refrigerator for some few minutes, and my hair moisturizer is all ready. Look at how beautiful this is. It applies smoothly onto your hair. Once it touches your hair, it melts into your hair like butter. I just love this. If you are looking for ways to prevent hair breakages, to keep your hair moisturized for a very long time, and also to help stimulate new healthy hair growth, give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment section if this is something you're going to try, and thank you for watching.